Hey everyone, welcome back to Fame Finder. If you're a fan of royal drama, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on today's explosive story. Today we have some shocking developments to discuss regarding Prince Harry's ongoing visa case in the United States. As most of you know, Harry moved to California in 2020 after stepping back from royal duties. However, obtaining the correct visa and permanent residency has been an ongoing struggle for him. This all stems back to the security issues Harry has faced since moving. He wanted to pay for his own security, but the U.S. wouldn't allow it due to protocol. So, Harry filed a lawsuit against the initial decision made by the Homeland Security Department to not allow him to pay for security. This has been going back and forth in the courts ever since. Well, tensions ramped up significantly last week when Harry had to make an appearance via video call in the Los Angeles federal court. The judge overseeing the case was not happy with the lack of progress and threatened to take extreme measures if things didn't get resolved promptly. According to reports, Judge John Walter warned Harry's lawyers that if a resolution couldn't be found within 90 days, he would consider seizing the Sussexes Montecito mansion as compensation or damages. This $12 million home in an exclusive gated community is owned by a company called Monito LLC, which was set up by Harry and Meghan to purchase the property last year. However, the judge argued that since public funds were used to provide security for the couple during visits to the UK, and the ongoing legal case was costing taxpayer money, he had the right to seize one of their assets if a decision wasn't made. Harry appeared shocked and dismayed by this threat, pleading with the judge that his family's security and home were at risk. But the judge was not backing down, stating this could have all been avoided if Harry had sorted his immigration status properly to begin with. Some key facts about Harry's visa situation. When he first moved, he had a temporary visa waiver under the Visa Waiver Program that lasted 90 days. Then, he and Meghan applied for a green card using an O1 visa, which is given to individuals with extraordinary ability or achievement. However, this visa category is only valid for 3 years and doesn't provide a direct route to citizenship or permanent resident status. It also requires reapplication and recurring legal fees. Some experts allege Harry doesn't fully qualify for an O1 visa either, so for over 2 years now, Harry has been in a sort of immigration limbo. During the emergency hearing, Harry's lawyer argued that more time was still needed to negotiate with the government, but the judge stood firm, instructing both sides that 90 days from now, he expected a definite resolution to be presented, or else he would move to impose sanctions. With their mansion now facing legal jeopardy, the Sussexes must find an answer quickly. Public reaction to this news has been somewhat split. Some feel for Harry's security plight but argue he should face consequences for not properly addressing his status earlier on. Others are accusing the judge of overreach, saying seizing the home would be unlawful punishment, not relative to any damages. On the other hand, some believe the judge is justified in wanting to speed up resolution, rather than allowing the case to drag out further at public cost. So, in summary, Harry has been told by the judge to get his visa situation settled within 90 days or else face possible sanctions like the seizure of his Montecito mansion, which could be valued as damages or compensation. This is certainly an escalation and a major threat involving the Sussex family home. It will be very interesting to see how the next 3 months play out. Will Harry be able to negotiate an agreement and solution with the U.S. government? Or will the risky legal strategy backfire and lead to the feared consequences? Only time will tell, but this case is sure to remain in the headlines. I'd love to get your thoughts on this developing situation. Do you think the judge went too far with his threats, or is this legitimate pressure being applied to speed up resolution? Should Harry have had a permanent plan in place before leaving the UK? Share your opinions in the comments below. That wraps up our coverage for today. As always, I'll keep you posted if any new major updates emerge regarding Prince Harry's ongoing visa lawsuit and immigration status. In the meantime, Be sure to subscribe to Fame Finder for more royal news and gossip. Thanks for watching.